What's the difference between a sparrow and a finch? Have you ever spotted a small bird and wondered whether it was a sparrow or a finch? These two types of birds can look quite similar, but they have some key differences that can help you identify them. Let's break it down so you can become a bird identification pro. First, let's talk about their legs and feet. Finches usually have shorter legs that are often dark gray. Sparrows, on the other hand, have longer legs that tend to be pale pinkish. This difference can be quite noticeable when you see them perched or foraging on the ground. Next, we have the beak shape and size. Finches are known for their stout, thicker beaks that are perfect for crushing seeds. This is because seeds make up a big part of their diet. Sparrows have more slender beaks, which are better suited for a varied diet that includes seeds, insects, and small invertebrates. Now let's discuss plumage and coloration. Finches often show off vibrant and varied colors, including bright reds, yellows, and blues. These colors are important for mating displays and territorial behaviors. Sparrows, in contrast, usually have more subdued earthy tones like browns, grays, and whites. This helps them blend in with their surroundings, providing camouflage from predators. When it comes to size and weight, finches tend to be smaller and lighter than sparrows. Sparrows generally weigh between 24 to 40 grams, while finches usually weigh between 10 to 20 grams. Feeding habits also differ between the two. Finches are more arboreal, often found feeding on seed heads of plants like thistles and grasses. Sparrows are primarily ground foraging birds, scratching under litter for seeds and insects. To identify these birds in the wild, pay attention to their coloration, beak shape, and feeding behavior. If you see a bird with bright plumage and a stout beak eating seeds from a thistle, it is likely a finch. If you spot a bird with duller plumage and a slender beak foraging on the ground, it is probably a sparrow. Lastly, when identifying sparrows, remember that they can be tricky due to their similar appearances across different species. Focus on differences in leg color, beak shape, and feeding habits to help distinguish them from finches. Observing nesting behaviors can also provide clues. For example, house finches often nest in hanging planters, while house sparrows frequently nest in roof tiles or other urban structures. By keeping these details in mind, you can confidently tell the difference between sparrows and finches the next time you are birdwatching. Happy birding!